Last week, we held a housing workshop at the county. This is the beginning of a major effort to shape housing policies for 2026 and 2027. Here's what's really going on. Families across San Diego County are getting priced out. Home prices and rents keep going up much faster than wages. That means many families can't buy a home, or too many are spending more than half of their paycheck just to keep a roof over their heads. Because we don't have enough affordable homes, more people are being pushed into overcrowded living situations, forced out of their communities, or ending up homeless. So what is the county doing? We're updating outdated zoning rules so more housing can actually be built, especially in areas where state law now requires us to plan for growth. We're also cutting red tape and streamlining the approval process so home builders can move projects forward without delays. But while more supply is necessary, it won't fix the crisis on its own. We need to build on successful models like Casa Familiar's Avanzando project, which combines affordable homes with community land trusts and creates real paths to long-term home ownership. We also need to keep people housed in the first place by protecting renters who are just one emergency away from losing their home. And we have to focus our investments in the communities that need it most, where targeted support can make the biggest impact. That means working hand in hand with our local governments so both new housing and tenant protections are extended to the communities facing the most pressure from high housing demand. This workshop is just the beginning, but it's an important step toward real solutions to one of our region's biggest challenges. As supervisor, I'm committed to making sure every San Diego family has a safe, stable, and affordable place to call home.